そうようせんりんにみつ
translates to how frost covers the leaves as autumn deepens. This Zen phrase symbolizes the transition of nature. The imagery illustrates not only seasonal change, but also a universal truth about life, suggesting that everyone experiences hardships. The strength and lightness people display often stem from the challenges they endure internally.
そう霜
Frost,
よう葉
leaf,
みつ満
full,
千地
doesn't,
林林
forest. The answer and the meaning of the Zen phrase will be announced on Friday. Weekly posts are being made on Instagram.